Hello everyone. This is day 3 of encapsulation. So today we will discuss about the shadowing problem. So, so here we will change the parameter name to be same as that of the instance variable that is being set by the setter. In setter we tend to keep the name of local variable and instant variable same, which in turn makes the code more understandable and clear. So here it is complete. Now we'll save and run the code. We know that default value of CID 0 and the CNAME 0, a null, and the CNAME is 0. Okay, we can observe the value of originally initially are 0, null 0 for CID, CNAME and CNAME. Okay, now I will copy this code and explain you. So here when we create object, then value assigned to the instance variable will be 0, null and 0. Okay, so here this is the method setData. Okay, we are passing these values as an argument to the setData method. Okay, so here is the value 1 Suraj and this number, and here the output should be 1 Suraj and this number, but we are getting 0 null 0. Why? This is because this is the local variable CID, CNAME and CNAME. This local variable is setting the value for the local variable only. This is the value. So it is thinking that, oh, this is the local variable and we have to set the value of this local variable. But we don't want to set the value for local variable. Instead, we want to set the variable values for the instance variable, that is this CID. Okay. But it is not doing that. So what we have to do for solving this problem? We use this keyword. Okay. What we are using? This keyword. Now I will show how it is working. Okay. So here we will add this dot, this dot, this dot. Okay. Now I will save and run the code. So here we get the output. Why? Because here it is confused that which is local and the which is instance, and it thinks that local giving value to local means the same value. So here why this problem is only called as shadowing problem. So how we overcome this? By using these keyword. We added this keyword to the instance variable so it understand that it is the instance variable and we have to give the passing the value to the instance. Okay, now here we are getting the output. So this is only the shadowing problem. Okay, thank you.